What's up, everybody? Larry Porter here, and I am back once again. And in today's video, we're going to talk about marketing strategies for travel agents. So if you are a travel agent, listen up. I got a couple tips I want to share with you, a couple strategies that I've been implementing with our business here, and I'm going to show you how to do the same thing. So you do not want to miss this. All right. All right, welcome back. So let's say you are in the travel business. You are a work from home travel agent. You already one, or you're thinking about becoming one, and you're looking for marketing strategies to implement in your business. Well, I got a couple tips I want to share with you using the internet. Now, if you're anything like me, I don't like cold calling people, chasing my friends and family about my business opportunity or my travel packages. I don't like chasing strangers. So I'm more of an introvert. So if you can relate to that, hey, I'm speaking to you. So a couple things that I do here that you can take from this video and implement. But I use YouTube, okay? Video marketing is very powerful for a strategy to generate leads, clients, and etc. Okay? So a couple things you're going to need to implement this, okay? First thing you're going to need, this is very critical, is a sales funnel. Or should I say a capture page. Capture page is the first page of your sales funnel. Sales funnel is simply nothing but a series of pages, okay, that you walk your prospect through step by step to the sign up process. Now, once a prospect opt in to your capture page, they begin to get a series of emails through your autoresponder, okay? So when somebody type in their email and name on your capture page, it triggers a series of emails that goes out in sequence over the period of time. You can schedule this out to do it day by day, once every 3 days, once a week, once 2 weeks, however you want to do it, however you want to build your business. But this has helped you to gain a little more automation in the follow-up process. Me, that's all I do is generate leads and drive traffic. The email autoresponder and the company presentation that the prospect sees, all this is automated. So I don't have to call nobody or text anybody or chase people around. You can automate your business by leveraging the power of YouTube, okay? So pretty much, for example, let's say you're looking to get more travel agents on your travel team, and looking for people that want to become travel agents. So let's say, for example, you got a keyword phrase that people are typing in YouTube or Google, okay? People are typing this in, you got about a nice amount of search volume. You got a lot of people typing this in. So your job as a marketer is to rank your video on the first page of YouTube, okay, as well as Google, okay? So you want to be ranking for that keyword when they type that in. If they typing in how to become a travel agent, you want to rank for that, okay, so people can see you. And once people click on your video and view your content, make sure you provide value and leave a call to action, okay? A call to action is a action for your prospect to take. And you can simply do this by saying, hey, in the video, click the link below, okay? So once people click your link, they go to another offer, something you give away for value in exchange for the email address and name, okay? This is a marketing strategy used by all the top marketers, okay? This is how I generate leads, okay? I give value. Anything can be, your offer can be anything such as a free downloadable PDF. It can be your company presentation, free video, whatever the case may be. You can give this away in exchange for your prospect's name and email, okay? Once they become a lead, they are added to your list and they go through the sales funnel process. Now, the sales funnel will display your presentation. It's going to play your presentation over and over again, so it kind of gives you a little leverage. So instead of you actively talking to 100 people, your presentation is working for you, catering to 100 people. So you do the video once, or should I say the presentation is shot once, however you want to do it, and it's viewed 100 times versus you talking to 100 people. So it's a lot of leverage. So if you are something you really want to do and you're looking for ways to leverage the internet, YouTube marketing is one of them. Now, this is a couple things that I do to teach our team how to generate leads. So if you're looking to get into the travel business, or you are a travel agent looking to expand your horizon on YouTube marketing, hey, click the link below. Watch a free presentation, or we'll show you exactly how you can get started in the travel industry and join our team. We'll show you exactly how to do YouTube marketing. Okay, so just my time. Hope you find value. It's something you can implement right away. YouTube is very, very quick on generating leads. So you are going to have to build your business. You're going to have to take the time and create the videos. It's not something that's going to happen overnight. You need to be making videos every single day. Okay. And if you can't do it every day, every other day. Okay. So anyway, if you find value from this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And if you or anybody you know looking to become a travel agent, click that link below and welcome to our team. And we'll show you exactly how we leverage the internet using YouTube and generate leads. All right. Larry Porter signing off, and be blessed. Happy marketing. Bye-bye.